Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concept of spanning sets. So as per the problem, show that the set 2, 1, -3, and -1 is a spanning set for R2. So we are given a set of two vectors and we have to show that this set of vectors spans R2. Now a set of vectors will span R2 if any vector in R2 can be written as a linear combination of these two given vectors. So we have to find whether there are any constants or numbers that can be used to write the linear combination equation for these two vectors. So for that, we'll write an equation using linear combination. So let's assume the vector in R2 is xy. So we can write the linear combination equation as so a and b are the constants or numbers, and we have to solve for a and b in terms of x and y. So the first step is to do scalar multiplication. So we'll multiply the first vector by a. So we get, and we'll multiply the second vector by b. Now we can add the two vectors. So we can add their x components and y components. Now these two vectors will be equal to each other if their x components and y components are equal to each other. So we'll make an equation using the x components and the other equation using the y components. So the equation using the x components will be, and the equation using the y components will be. Now we have to solve these two equations to find the values of a and b in terms of x and y. So we can use substitution method for this linear system. So we can isolate a from the second equation by adding b to both sides. So a equals b plus y, and now we can do the substitution for a in the first equation. So we get, so I replaced a with b plus y. Now we have to use this equation to solve for b. So the first step is to distribute the 2 into the parentheses. Now we can combine the b terms. So 2b minus 3b is equal to -1b or just minus b. Now we can subtract 2y from both sides. Now we can change minus b to positive b by dividing each term by -1. So I got, so this is the value of b in terms of x and y. Now we can solve for A. So we'll sub in this B value in this A equation we got. So we can do it here on the side. So this is the A equation we use to isolate A from the second equation. So we can sub in B as minus x plus 2y. Now we can combine the y terms. So this is the expression for A in terms of x and y. So we can see both A and B values depend on the value of x and y. So that means for every vector in R square xy, we'll get a unique value for A and B. So this proves that the set 2, 1, negative 3, minus 1 is a spanning set for R2. And the reason is because for every vector in R2, there will be a unique value for A and B. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.